Imagine standing at a crossroads, faced with countless possibilities. Every step you take is guided by your beliefs and expectations. But what if these beliefs weren't just thoughts? What if they actually shape the world around you? Whether we realize it or not, our minds are powerful creators of our experiences. The story we tell ourselves about who we are and what we expect can set the stage for our reality. This phenomenon is known as the self-fulfilling prophecy. For instance, when we harbor doubts about our abilities or fear rejection, these beliefs can influence how we act. We might fidget, avoid eye contact, or hesitate to express ourselves. These actions, driven by our fears, can lead to outcomes that confirm our expectations. But the opposite is also true. When we approach life with confidence and positive expectations, our actions often reflect that mindset. We engage more openly, express ourselves clearly, and connect with others more easily. This confidence can lead to positive outcomes, reinforcing our belief in our abilities. Our beliefs are not just passive thoughts. They are active participants in creating our reality. By understanding the power of self-fulfilling prophecies, we can choose to cultivate positive expectations and take actions that align with the outcomes we desire. So, as you navigate your own crossroads, remember, the story you tell yourself is the story you live. Make it a story of confidence, courage, and possibility. After all, you have the power to create your reality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.